Many who know me and follow me know that I've always spoken of how I'm always looking for a place to belong and a place to call home. As I got on the plane yesterday to fly back to Madison after spending a week taking care of my uncle in Missouri, I thought of a story that my mom told me during our trip. She told me a story about coming to the United States. She shared the struggles of taking young children on the plane for the very first time coming to this country. Her youngest at the time, my little sister, was an infant and was very ill. She said that my sister started turning blue and she was afraid my sister couldn't make it. Yet she knew no English and didn't even know how to ask for help. She kept thinking to herself, meaning, we aren't even going to be going close to where my parents are. If something happened to my baby, what am I going to do? Meanwhile, my father was holding me. I was about 2 years old, and I kept crying out loud, saying, Muchena, Muchena, go home, go home. The sad reality of it all was we didn't even have a home to go back to, or didn't even know what kind of home we were going to go to. It has taken me over 40 years to even start building a home in a place that I thought I could now live. But with everything that's been happening in this country, I am reminded that I don't have a home yet, and not yet a place to belong. I have seen firsthand that my people will always be looking for a home and could be pushed out any time again. The 2-year-old Ty's voice, my voice, calling out, Muchena, Muchena, continues to play in my head, and my heart can feel it. Feeling unsettled and scared of what will happen next to my people and to my family.